AI Mailer Review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about this software called AI Mailer. So this is the sales page on your screen and it gives you a discount coupon mailer to off to get $2 off. Okay. How do you come to the sales page? For that you have to go below my video and click the link that says grab AI Mailer, copy here somewhere. Then you will come to the sales page where you can use the coupon code and get this email sending software. So as the name suggests, this will help you to send unlimited emails as per their claim. Fair usage policy applies and all about it. Okay, so let's go down and see the demo video. You will find the demo video on the sales page somewhere, so keep scrolling and let's see, where is the demo video? Should be somewhere here. There you go. Okay, so when you come halfway through, you can go and watch this 2 minutes long demo video. And then let's go through some question answers. I'll show you the demo video right here. Don't worry. So let's come back and get rid of the sales page first so that we can proceed to the demo video, then some OTOs. And if you want some bonuses, then make sure you watch the video till the end because I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning. And also if you want to make money online, keep watching the video till the end. So how long will the one-time price be available? Special launch. Do I need any copywriting technical skills? No. Is it really unlimited? Yes. With the fair usage policy. Okay. So do I need to install any software? No. Which delivery servers can I use? AI Mail supports SMTP, Mailgun. You can assign servers as per customer group. Blah blah blah. Okay, so is this a one-time payment? Yes. Can I manage client email campaigns? You can I import my existing? Yes. How does AI actually help me send better emails? It writes your email copy and this and that. Is it GDPR compliant? Yes. Will this work on Mac and PC? Yes, of course. What if I don't like it? You have 30-day money back. What if this what makes this different from other AI? I'll just read everything. Okay, let's not waste time on the sales page. Let's go and watch the demo video. So you have to watch the demo video in your free time on the sales page anyway. I'll show you some glimpses for the software. So once you log in, this is your dashboard. This is how it looks like. You can create your list. As you can see, create your list, then add your subscribers or contacts or upload your list. Then you can customize your templates, I guess. So here you have your automation. You can call this as broadcast emails too. So you can set up your follow-up emails and add subscribers. We talked about that already. And that's your, this is when you upload your subscribers or upload your contacts as per the first name and the email. And then you create some landing page, some sign-up form so that the email sign-ups directly come into this dashboard. And the list settings, you have some settings here. Okay, you can manage your list here, and then you have reporting, which means you can see your statistics here. Sent email, open email, click email, you can see all the reports. And then you have servers, integrations, create item. What are we integrating here? I have got no idea. Anyway, so you have some servers. This is your AI, so you can ask AI to write the email copy, this and that. Okay. And then you have sending servers, so you can attach your servers. These 4 ones, I guess, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are supported, so you can pick and choose here. And that's it. Okay, so go and grab this AI Mailer if you want, and if you want to watch this demo video, you will find that on the sales page. And you will get the discount we already have talked about. My bonuses are already linked with the sales page. This is my bonus URL. So if you want to get my bonuses, make sure you buy from me, from my link using below my video. And what the bonuses are, you will get to know about them when you watch the video till the end. So here we have the front end. Okay, so this is what you will be getting in the front end. Then you have OTO 1, which is unlimited. So obviously it's understood that in front end you will not get everything. So go and get the this OTO 1 for unlimited. OTO 2 is done for you, and OTO 3 is Pro, something Pro. OTO 4 is automation. OTO 5 is Mailer Hub, and OTO 6 is AI Agent. Then you have OTO 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, go pick and choose. I guess we're done. So if you want the bonuses, go and grab from me. And if you want to know what the bonuses are, and if you don't know how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alright, humans. So we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI. Okay, to know how this works, but it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab Kishacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay, then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading. If you want, you can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay, second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay, what else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day, and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me even before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy. if you want it or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately, I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, 10, 12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.